Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Today's video is going to be all about the hair. As you guys may know or may not, and if you don't know, you're not following me on Instagram. So anyways, I have tape-in extensions. These are from Beauty Works. These are not sponsored, they are gifted. I have 150 grams of tape-in extensions in my hair. My hair is pretty damaged, pretty thin because of all the bleaching. And I saw, Desi Perkins influenced me. I don't know how long she has her long extensions. Maybe like 2 years. In 2 years, I'm like, should I do it or should I not? Should I do it or should I not? And then I was like, F it, I am going to do it. So yeah, here I am with my tape-in extensions. First of all, I'm very impulsive when it comes to these things. I went to the hairdresser. I said, I have tape-in extensions here and just put everything into my hair. And she was like, it's pretty heavy because 200 grams is quite a lot. And I was like, I can handle it. I want to be extra. I couldn't handle it. Had ache for 3 days. It was just too heavy and I actually didn't really like how it looked because it was a little too unnatural looking. So what I did is I pulled out 50 grams of tape-in extensions, so 16 pieces. And I rubbed a little bit of alcohol, 70% something, I don't know what the English word is, of alcohol. I put it into the tape to get rid of the glue so the tape-ins won't be sticky anymore, and then I just pulled them out. And yeah, so I did it myself and I'm actually very proud of that, and it cost me like 2 minutes per tape. So now I have 150 grams of tape-in extensions. I washed my hair yesterday and I didn't do anything with it. Usually I blow dry it immediately. I was a bit too lazy, so I thought, let me show you the whole process. I got color matched via DM and the color is actually perfect. I didn't dye my hair. I only got a little bit of highlights here, but the rest of it is just matched via DM. That's how professional they are. I got the shade Caramelized and High Contrast Warm. So I mixed those two. As you guys can see, my own hair is a little bit more dry looking than the extensions. And my hair is a little, I wouldn't say curly, but a little bit more wavy. I'm going to make sure that my hair looks a little bit more smooth to kind of like match the extensions. And when it comes to the extensions, I'm going to make sure that these look a little bit more textured and dry to match my own hair. So we balance everything out, it's kind of like math. I'm really bad at math. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to damp my hair a little bit so I can really blow dry it, especially when it comes to my own hair. I'm not going to do everything because it saves me so much time when it comes to blow drying my hair. The other day I blow dried it for the first time, like just straight out of the shower, and it took me 45 minutes. And I was like, it was pretty damn heavy. So I'm sectioning the hair and I'm going to blow dry this right here. And for that, I'm going to use my heat protector. This is from NuMe. I'm not going to use a lot because I don't like the feeling of a product in my hair. Like this, especially on my own hair. Taking my brush and my blow dryer. This is from OJ Exclusive and this is from NuMe. This looks pretty good. We are going to curl it later on so it doesn't have to be perfect. And now I'm going to do this upper part right here. Okay, so we've blow dried it, the hair. I know it doesn't look, it's still frizzy. It doesn't look really good yet. What I do next is I take this comb right here with this point and I make sure that the middle section is like super snatched. Like until it's like really straight. Okay, so kind of like that. I'm also brushing my own hair so we don't have weird bumps. So I'm sectioning my hair again because we are going to curl it. And personally, I really don't like hair that is like too overly done, like very curly, and it's not really my style. So what I usually do is I just curl it, but like more wavy hair instead of curly, unless you have like natural curls, but too overly done hair is no likey. I'm going to take a piece of my hair, which is right here, together with a piece of the long extensions, and I'm going to curl them together. This is a curling wand that I'm going to use. This is from Chi. It's a pretty big one with a clip. And I feel like if you have long hair, clip curling wands work so much better than like a normal curling wand. I just turn it, kind of twist it, hold it right here because here is where my own hair ends. So now we have a wave. And now you can see the difference because my own hair is not really straight. I can't really wear my extensions like this unless I go to the hairdresser and my own hair looks super smooth and, you know, frizz free. As you can see, my own natural hair color is actually really dark, and I'm just leaving it like this. We don't really dye this anymore because I want my hair to look a little bit more fuller and I'm not really wearing it up. So I thought let's just skip that part and just highlight right here. And for some reason I do think it looks cool. So for me this is a tiny bit too much, but it doesn't really matter because we are going to brush it anyway, so it's going to look more natural. Okay, so the last part of my hair, this is actually really important because I have to take a piece of my own hair together with the extensions, and I really don't like it when you can see. Obviously, I don't mind when people know that I'm wearing extensions, but I don't want you to be able to see that I'm wearing extensions. You know the difference? Now that I curled my hair, I feel like it still looks a little bit too curled. So I like to go in with my Bumble and Bumble texture spray, and we're only going to spray this on my extensions, so not on my own hair. And this is not a hairspray, but this is going to make it look more like real hair, you know what I mean? That looks better. And then since my hair looks more dry and frizzy in comparison to my extensions, I am going to use a little bit of WAVY hair and body oil, just a tiny bit. So like right there, so here. And then last but not least, also a little bit of dry oil. This is invisible oil from Bumble and Bumble as well. So only on the top, not on the extensions. So I'm going in with my fingers again. Okay, I also like to do this because it looks more frizzy like that. Obviously, you can also use hairspray, but I don't really like the feeling of hairspray in my hair unless I would go somewhere important and my hair needs to be like super snatched. I still have to kind of like figure out what other hairstyles I can do with long hair because I've never really had long hair like this. So I'm still like, I don't know what else to do rather than this. Okay, so this is reality. This is also what happens when it comes to tape-in extensions. So luckily I really like this hairstyle, but I do have to say that I like it more the next morning because it looks a little bit more natural-ish. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any experiences with tape-in extensions or wave or whatever, let me know in the comments, and also let me know what you think of this simple, easy, everyday hair tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and follow me on my Instagram, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!